Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to refer someone on TapSwap. Okay, so here we are in the app. So to earn additional tokens, you obviously need to complete small tasks, and that can be anything from joining the TapSwap Telegram group or just following their social media accounts. So they're really tasks are quite simple and they give you bonus tokens. Along with the TapSwap referral program, if you tell your friends about TapSwap and if they join, you actually earn a portion of their earnings. So this is also a good way to continue earning tokens even when you're not actively tapping the TapSwap icon as I just did there. So the best way to find that is if you come down to the bottom and to the left hand side, you have the referral or ref, which looks like a little cat and it's asleep. So we just press that. And here at the top here, we can say 0 referrals. So I haven't actually done any referrals yet, but you can see my invite link. And there is the long URL link for your account or your referral. So if you just copy the button that says copy, and then you can share this with your friends and anything on Telegram and messaging, and then you can actually refer them onto TapSwap. And that is it. That is how to refer someone on TapSwap.